Exciting news for Sony camera enthusiasts. Sony has just rolled out major firmware updates for the A7rV and A7IV, bringing a host of new features and improvements that could revolutionize your photography and videography workflow. But here's where it gets controversial. While these updates promise enhanced functionality, some users might question the necessity of paid licenses for certain features. Let's dive into what's new and why it matters. Sony A7rV Firmware 4.0 and A7IV Firmware 6.0. What's changed? Both updates focus on refining shooting, playback, and network functions. But each model has its unique tweaks. Here's a breakdown. Shooting and playback enhancements. Imagine having more control over your focus area and display settings. A7rV cameras now adapt shooting information for horizontal and vertical viewing, a small but game-changing detail for photographers who switch orientations frequently. Additionally, the focus area menu has been expanded with Spot XL, Custom 1, 2, and 3, and tracking options, giving you unparalleled precision in subject tracking. For composition enthusiasts, the golden ratio grid has been added to the grid line type menu, a feature that could spark debates about its practicality versus traditional grids. And this is the part most people miss: the ability to enlarge the menu screen display and add OK, NG, keep flags to clips during or after recording. These seemingly minor additions can significantly streamline your workflow, especially for videographers. Plus, the relay playback function and multi-filter image search make reviewing your work more efficient than ever. Network and FTP improvements. For professionals who rely on seamless file transfers, the updates allow scheduled FTP transfers while simultaneously writing data to the camera's storage. You can also prioritize specific images during transfers and automatically protect files post-transfer. However, the removal of WPA and WEP Wi-Fi functionalities in favor of WPA2/WPA3 might leave some users debating the trade-off between security and compatibility. Controversial features, paid licenses, and authenticity solutions. Sony's Camera Authenticity Solution introduces the Right Digital Signature function, a feature aimed at verifying the authenticity of images and videos. While this could be a boon for photojournalists and content creators, the paid licensing model for certain features, like volume photography commands, has raised eyebrows. Is this a necessary step toward professional-grade tools, or an unnecessary barrier for enthusiasts? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Stability and bug fixes. Beyond the flashy new features, both updates address critical issues like focus bracketing inconsistencies and color reproduction variations in raw shooting. These fixes, though less glamorous, are essential for ensuring reliable performance in the field. Final thoughts. These firmware updates are a testament to Sony's commitment to innovation, but they also open up discussions about accessibility and value. Are the new features worth the potential costs? And how will these changes